If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Before we begin, guys, please check out my discount code for my course in the community section of this channel. So I'm going to make a bold prediction. I'm going to say that we're just going to continue selling off from right where we are right now, and I'll give you some reasons why. So it looks like there was this channel right here in the past. Let's go and make this yellow so the price action is holding inside of this channel very nicely. And then we had the break of the channel, break of the pattern, same thing, and then a move to a new low, because this low right here is lower than the previous one. So normally we usually get two legs down to new low. Sometimes we do get one, but usually you'll see two. So this to me looks like one straight move down, because if I go to a line chart, you can see it's one big drop. Let's go back to the candlestick. So now after that drop, we saw two legs up. So this was the first leg up right here. And then in between, we saw a two-legged correction, which marks the center of the pattern. So you can see that we went down, we went up, and then we went down. So that's a two-legged correction. Pretty much perfect price action right there. And then we made the second leg up. And right at the tip of this arrow, very close to it, we start seeing sellers come in the market. So other traders are looking at this pattern. And since we had one large leg down after the break of a pattern and two legs up, I'm expecting that this two legs up is also going to be the center of the pattern. And if that is true, then this would be the target that I'm expecting for the SPY, right at the 345 level. So I think we're going to start seeing selling next week because we are far away from the EMA. Well, not really that far, but we should be expecting a pullback, especially since that prices just broke a resistance level. So it's probably going to want to come back to test it to see if we can find any support, or it's probably going to fail. You can see in the past, with this level at the 389 was acting as support several times before breaking down and finding resistance. Now we broke through it again. It looks like we're coming back to test it, and we're also coming back to test the EMA. So if that test fails, which I'm expecting it to, because I don't think the downtrend pattern has played out fully, then we're going to be seeing lower prices, and I don't think this low back in June 17th is the bottom of this market. I'm expecting another leg down. Let me zoom out on the chart a little bit more. You could also see that we made a new high of this correction working here. So this was the high right here. We made two legs down, made a new high. So this correction is over too, and I'm expecting that second leg down. Let me show you guys this right here real quick. This flatter channel, it could be also valid. And if this channel is valid, then we have just gotten the first break of this pattern. So again, if we have the first break of the pattern, we usually go back down to retest the previous extreme, and retesting it would require this second leg down. Also, if I zoom out on the chart, this is getting a little bit more confusing for you guys, but just bear with me. You can see that we had a channel right here. Let's go and make this blue. So we had a blue channel, then we had a break of it right here, and then a retest of the low in the form of one large leg. So all this is one large leg. Okay, then we saw the correction up. Let me go and erase the drawings to make it more clear. So we have pretty much three channels that I believe are still valid. So again, show you guys this channel right here. If I could draw it on the chart, you can see that this channel right here, I believe it's something like that. Make it a little more flatter. So then we had this channel right here. We had a break of the pattern, move to new low in the form of one large leg. So this was one large leg down. Then we saw the correction. Now again, like I said before, one leg is sometimes done on the market, but you should be expecting two legs so you don't get trapped. So if I get two legs down, the target for this one is right around the 335 level, and the other ones were very close to this target. So this was the leg down right here. This one's right around the 346 level, and you can see that this is the leg down right here. If I move it over, you can see that second leg is larger than the first leg, and then we in the process of making the third leg, and this one's very close to this measured move too. So I'm looking for a bottom right around the between the 346 and the 334 level. So that's where it looks like prices are headed. I think we have topped in this correction. To me, this looks like we're going to start seeing a lot of selling come in, especially since we just filled in this gap right here, very close to filling this gap. So I'll be expecting lower prices. So that's everything I have for the SPY on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for the SPY, and I don't think we have topped in the market overall, but I am expecting lower prices. It's all about timing. So again, we have this channel working higher. We just experienced the first break back in January, and we've been seeing the correction ever since. We do a Fibonacci retracement from the lows to the highs, and you can see that prices have already met the 236 and the 382, but it looks like we're not really finding any strong support. So I think they want to reach that 50% retracement next, and it's right at that 350 target that I've been eyeing for quite a long time. Can we reach the 618 at the 318 level? We can, but I'm expecting this 50% to be the bounce that reverses prices. We'll have to wait and see. But overall, I think the market is due for more selling in the coming weeks, and then probably reversing sometime in Q3, Q4 back up to all-time highs and surpassing it. If you guys have any other YouTubers who have a contrarian opinion, who think maybe we have bottom and we can reverse, please link them below. I want to check out their channel. I want to see how accurate other YouTubers are. Again, because no one really knows 100% where the market is going. Everything is a prediction, unless you're like very well connected, probably like a banker or a hedge fund. I'm pretty sure they know a little bit more than us because they got the intel. So that's pretty much everything I have for the SPY, guys. It looks like to me this looks like a pullback in a downtrend. I'm expecting that second leg down to that 346 level. This target, the whole thing would be invalidated if we break above the 399 level, or if we reach like the 408, 410 level, then there's probably a good chance that we're probably going to continue a little bit more higher than I thought. But as right now, I'm expecting continuation from where we are right now. So it's a pretty bold prediction, but I like to be bold sometimes, so we'll have to wait and see if it works out. So that's everything I have for SPY. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.